two swept-wing designs. Both went head-to-head in Korea. American F-86 fitted with 650 caliber machine guns, and the MiG with a 37mm 6. Developed 5,700 pounds of thrust. But Wackett wanted to use the Rolls-Royce Avon, which was 400 pounds lighter. It also produced 7,500 pounds of thrust. Pretty poor, so he wanted to fit the 30mm Aden cannon, one on each side of the nose. So the Aden cannon was the armament division Enfield in the UK, but it was actually their development of a German World War II motor cannon. So a lot of German refinements, we'll call it, in this particular aircraft. When that first flew in August 1953, we built 112 of these aircraft, including one prototype. 4 air-to-ground rockets, or 5 of the larger 125mm rockets, or up to 2 200-gallon drop tanks. Between 1958 and 1968. That's 1960, sorry, with 3 into Thailand, and the other 2 aircraft would come to Butterworth for maintenance. That went on for a number of years. Everybody knew what was going on, but it was more of a political expedient than anything else. These aircraft operated with all squadrons in the Army. This is one of 2 aircraft that are currently left airworthy. At their end of the operational life,